Good morning, students. Today we see the English class, Unit 2. Today we are going to look at the story. The name of the story, Varun's Day Out. In this story, we are going to look at vegetables, fruits and recipes. Okay, now let's look at the important ingredients and fruits, places that come with this lesson. Okay. See first, picnic. Picnic means a meal that you take with you to eat outdoors. Then salad, a mixture of vegetables usually not cooked that you often eat together with other foods. Ash gourd, pumpkin, rice, cereals, maida, black gram, coriander, swing. Then slide. Okay students, now let's watch the story through one video.
It was a warm sunny day, perfect for a picnic.
Amma, I am bored at home.
His mother said that they could go out for a picnic in the park.
A picnic? Sounds exciting.
They sat down and made a list of things to do and a list of things to eat. Then they took an auto to the market to buy groceries.
Potato, tomato, onion, brinjal, carrot, beans, beetroot.
Can we buy fresh carrots? We can make a tasty salad.
Sure,
What are they called?
the one that is white inside is called ash gourd and the other is called pumpkin.
Fresh apple, tasty mango, banana, watermelon.
Amma, I think we need some fruits for the picnic.
Varun had already decided which fruit he wanted. He wanted the big, green and juicy watermelon. Not just that, he also wanted the reddish, yellow ripe mango from the stalls. Amma then bought some maida, rice and black gram. After coming home, she then washed the rice and black gram. She then mixed and soaked them in water for some time. Amma and Varun made the batter together for making delicious dosas for lunch. They also packed coriander chutney and tomato chutney to eat with them. They packed the dosas in a round tiffin box and the chutneys in 2 small square boxes. They grated the carrots, squeezed lemon and added salt to make a salad that they can eat as a snack. Now they started to cut the watermelon and mango to pack them. Now that all the food was ready and packed, both left to the park. Varun played on the swing and slide. After some time, Amma and Varun spread a cloth on the grass and laid out all the food they had prepared.
Thank you, Amma. I had a wonderful day.
He hugged his mother.
Okay students, did you understand the story? Okay, so we also need to know the names of vegetables, fruits and groceries in our home. Okay. Next, see the exercise. First one, match the words to the pictures. See first picture, that is ash gourd. And next one, black gram. And third picture, coriander leaves. And next, make a shopping list from the below pictures. See first one, carrot. 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 Second one, rice, R-I-C-E, rice. And third picture, lemon, L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Okay. Next, tick the odd one. Here, see, first one, rice, and second one, wheat, and third one, mint, and fourth one, ragi. Okay, so rice and wheat and ragi, there are all grains. Okay, this one is odd. So, tick this picture only. And next, listen, think and write. First one, where did they plan to go? They plan to go to the park or picnic. Okay. And next, what did they buy in the vegetable shop? They bought carrots in the vegetable shop. And third one, what did they cut? They cut watermelon and mango. And fourth one, why did they go to picnic? They went on a picnic as Varun was bored. Fifth one, how will you get ready for a picnic? I will get ready for a picnic by buying and packing food and things. Okay? Students, when we go on a picnic too, we have to buy vegetables and fruits and pack the food and things we need. Okay? And next one, here given some actions. First one, break. Next, spread. Third one, sprinkle. And fourth one, saute. And fifth one, peel. Okay, here fill in the blanks with the actions. First one, sprinkle. Write it. S-P-R-I-N-K-L-E. Sprinkle. Okay. And next one, break. B-R-E-K. Break. Okay. And this one, saute. S-A-U-T-E. Saute. Okay. Thank you.